Hello everyone. This question appeared in January JEE Mains 2025. Let's read the question. Let f be a function from r minus 0 to minus infinity 1. That is, this is the domain and this is the range. Be a polynomial of degree 2. So f of x is a polynomial of degree 2. Satisfying f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. So let's take everything to the left side. So f of x into f of 1 by x minus f of x minus f of 1 by x is equal to 0. Left side has 1, 2, 3 terms. If we need to form factors, we need one more term. So let's add 1 on both the sides so that it's easier for us to factorize. So here it will be minus f of 1 by x, add 1 on both the sides. So I can take f of x common. So I have f of 1 by x minus 1 minus f of 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1. So the factors being f of x minus 1 in one bracket and f of 1 by x minus 1 in another bracket equal to 1. So product of two expressions is 1. Let me consider this as g of x. So if this is g of x, so this will be g of 1 by x. So I have considered let g of x be f of x minus 1. So now product of two function is 1. And since f of x is a polynomial of degree 2, definitely g of x is also a polynomial of degree 2. So I have, like, if I take the expression as g of x as ax square plus bx plus c. So I have here ax square plus bx plus c into a by x square plus b by x plus c is 1. Now this product will be 1. So this is possible only when g of x will be either plus or minus x square. Then only the product will be equal to 1. So according to this, now g of x is f of x minus 1. So I have f of x is plus or minus x square plus or minus x square plus 1. Now, so function can be either x square plus 1 or function can be minus x square plus 1. Now, in order to decide which is the function, let's see the range. The range is minus infinity to 1. Since the range is minus infinity to 1, so x square plus 1 cannot take value beyond 1. And same here. So here it will be x square less than 0. Now this is vague. So we'll stick to this x square greater than 0. So this is our function. So f of x is minus x square plus 1. Now what else is given? Yes, what else is given is f of k is minus 2k, and we need to find the sum of squares of all possible values of k. So using that, f of k is minus 2k. So this is minus k square plus 1 is minus 2k. So k square minus 2k minus 1 is the required quadratic equation. Now we need to find sum of the squares. So that is alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta the whole square is 2 square minus 2 into minus 1. So answer is 6. Option C. Thank you.